Aww.
Nobody else does that to me.
Chris's bond with his grandma Barbara is very strong. He fell in love with her the moment that he met her 23 years ago.
Make Chris happy.
Oh, sure. I'll jump into the river to make Chris happy.
Unfortunately, at the moment, she is in a rehab facility because she broke her hip, and he really misses her.
Hello.
He asks about her every day, and he always wants to go visit her, and he's just so overjoyed.
Why you eat it?
Why?
I'm gonna give you a napkin.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, hello.
Chris is very complex, as most cockatoos are. He is very sweet and very loving and very playful. Aww. But he's also very demanding and very high maintenance.
They're arresting Chris.
Chris, you gotta come with me. I'm sorry. I don't want to have to do this. You have to come with me.
Chris loves to talk. He tries to communicate with all different species that he meets. Usually that's humans.
Hello.
And he has learned a bunch of words and phrases.
Hello.
His most popular words and phrases are the word hello
Who are you talking to?
and also the name Barbara.
I'm right here.
He used to say hello kitty cats to my cats, and I've heard him say water and papaya, and he'll ask questions. Sometimes he'll say, where's Barbara?
Chrissy, what are you doing?
Trying to get the thing out, Allison. What is she doing?
Chrissy.
It's like a drive-in movie without the movie, right? Most of the talking has to do with Barbara, or he'll say call Barbara because he wants to call her. Aww. But he also tries to talk to other animals. He will bark at dogs if they bark to him, and he loves chicken noises. So he's always trying to communicate to other species in their own language. We've been together for 23 years.
You just want to twirl? Oh, what a good boy.
He probably thinks of me as partly his mother, Chris's breakfast, and partly his servant.
Oh, look at the good